Now, I'll tell you, building steps used to be a very intimidating thing, but now with the pre-cut step stringers like this, it's made a lot easier.
We begin by measuring the width of the opening and cutting a treated 2x4 to serve as an anchor for the steps. We drill through it and into the bricks so that we can attach it with masonry screws. On each end, we nail one of the stringers. We cut 1.5 inches off the top of the remaining 3 stringers and toe nail them into the 2x4 at 16-inch intervals. A 1x8 nailed across the front holds it all together so that we can begin putting on the treads. In this case, 5/4 by 6-inch deck boards butted up against each other and overhanging the end slightly. The risers are cut from the 1x8 stock to cover the remaining vertical openings, and our stairs are done.
Boy, our steps just turned out perfect, and I'm glad that we made them as wide as we did, the full width of the double doors, instead of just 3-foot steps like you see so many times. This looks better, plus a little bit of extra seating, and might be a perfect place for a few potted plants after the patio's all complete.